In this video, we're going to set up the base currency for our business. To do this, you will go to Settings, Currencies, Base Currency. Now, typically this is already populated if you have went into Settings, Business Details, and set your country. But I went ahead and deleted mine out for just in case you don't see yours to show you how to do it. So we're going to go to Base Currency again. We'll put in the currency code. You may need to Google yours, but United States is USD. And the name is US dollar. The symbol is the $. And decimal places is 2. We just click here. 1, 2. And we're going to click Update. And now, when you go to base currency, you'll see it set like that. You can also reset it back if you got something wrong. And that's all there is to setting your base currency up. So if this has helped, how about leaving a like, subscribe, leave a comment. You will really help this channel, and it costs you nothing. And I thank you in advance. You have a good day.